The growing number of electric charging stations in car parks has created a new fire risk for car park owners. Research shows that fires linked to electric batteries are more intense and harder to extinguish. On top, today's modern cars contain more plastic, more electric systems, and more combustible materials than ever before. Although electric cars have become very safe and reliable, there still is a risk that an incident at a charging station will start a fire within the car park. However small the chances, responsible car park owners need to install specific protective measures to manage the risk and limit the possible damage. In the unlikely event of a fire, flames and smoke will rapidly build up and reduce the visibility within the car park. This will make it difficult for people inside the car park to find the exit and escape safely from the fire. As the fire expands to neighboring parked cars, the fire will intensify, and the car park will be filled with smoke and toxic gases. As the temperature rises, the concrete columns and beams of the load-bearing structure will start spalling. The structure will lose its initial strength and can even collapse. A steel structure will equally lose its load-bearing properties and give in to the weight above. This will lead to the structural damage of the car park. If there is a building located above the underground car park, the damage caused by fire can make the load-bearing structure unsafe and uninhabitable. It is crucial to protect the electric charging zone of a car park effectively to ensure people can escape safely in case of a fire. A well-designed fire protection solution will create the right conditions for the fire brigade to enter the car park and combat the fire. On top, hundreds of cars will be saved, and the load-bearing structure of the car park and its superstructure will be protected against structural damage. Promat offers a set of passive protective solutions which can be customized according to the design and specific needs within the car park. The wall behind the charging units needs to be protected with Promatect-H boards. Additionally, a layer of Promatect-H boards fixed against the ceiling of the charging area will protect the concrete floor above against the extreme heat produced by burning cars. This will prevent structural damage or even collapse of the concrete slab above the cars. Beams and columns are covered with Promatect-H boards to protect the load-bearing structure of the car park and the building above from damage or collapse. An insulated partition wall, covered with Durasteel boards, separates the charging zone from the neighboring area. This prevents the expansion of the fire beyond the charging area and protects cars in neighboring zones against fire and smoke. The fire-rated smoke extraction system Promatect extracts the smoke from the fire zone and maintains visibility in the rest of the car park. This allows for a safe escape and creates the right conditions for the fire brigade to combat the fire. The combination of these protective solutions with fully tested and tried Promat products will offer peace of mind to the car park users and position the car park as a premium location with the highest safety standards in place. But also, the car park owner and manager now can prevent major damage and protect the building above against structural damage. These protective solutions will become important issues in discussions with building owners and insurance companies. Only a reliable passive fire protection will guarantee that people can continue to use the car park safely and will guarantee business continuity after a fire incident has occurred. It will safeguard the car park, hundreds of parked cars, and the high-value building on top.